We are given that x plus y is equal to 20, and x times y is equal to 34. And our goal is to find the values of x and y. Now, there are many ways to solve this type of problem. For example, we could express y as 20 minus x, and substitute y into the product to form a quadratic equation, and then solve it. Or we could use the identity x minus y squared equals x plus y squared minus 4 times xy. Then we could find x and y by solving a simple system of linear equations. But in this video, I will show you a method that is a bit out of the box, super fast, and not what most people think of. We are going to solve this problem with the help of a symmetric identity. If you have observed closely, this problem is symmetric in x and y, meaning even if you write y plus x equals 20 and y times x equals 34, the problem still looks the same. So to solve this kind of symmetry problem, we take this sum, which is 20, and divide it by 2. That gives us 10. Now let us set x equal to 10 plus some variable r, and y equal to 10 minus that same variable r. This symmetrical setup makes the algebra super clean and easy to work with. Now substituting these into the product, we get the expression 10 plus r times 10 minus r, which must equal 34. Using the difference of squares identity, that is p plus q times p minus q equals p squared minus q squared, this becomes 10 squared minus r squared, which is 100 minus r squared. Correct? Now equating this with 34 gives us 100 minus r squared equals 34. Shifting terms, we get r squared equals 100 minus 34, which is 66. And taking the square root, we get r is either the positive square root of 66 or the negative square root of 66. Now if r is the positive square root of 66, then x equals 10 plus the square root of 66, and y equals 10 minus the square root of 66. Similarly, if r is the negative square root of 66, then x equals 10 minus the square root of 66, and y equals 10 plus the square root of 66. And that is it. Nice, clean, and super quick, right? But wait, before you go, here is a quick challenge for you. Can you solve x plus y equals 30 and x times y equals 48 using the same method? Think it through and share your answer in the comments below. Let us see who can figure it out. If you enjoyed this explanation and learned something new, do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun, brain-teasing math questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.